So hi everyone, for today we're gonna do a macrame DIY paper towel holder. So we're gonna use a macrame string, 4 meters each. We're gonna use a pair, so make sure to use a 4 meters of string, and then scissor and then metal ring. So we're gonna start with your lark's head knot. Macrame is basically knotting, like we're gonna use knots. So lark heads is like this. Loop it over your ring. Loop it over your ring, and then pick up the 2 over here, and then make sure to adjust both ends equal length. So this is the lark heads reverse. This is the lark head. Okay, so this is your lark's head knot. We're gonna start on this one. Okay, so after lark's head, we're gonna go proceed to your base. One of the basic knotting is your square knot. So from here, let me show you how to do your square knot. So this is your first square knot, using your left outer cord, and then slowly bring it on top. Alright, so now our lark's head is secured. We created 2 basic square knots, and then we're gonna proceed to your basic square knots on one side. So it's either you use the left side or you use the right side until we finish all 4 meters. Let's start. So we can stop here and then do the alternating one. So this will be the handle of my tissue holder, like this. So it will look like this. we're gonna finish it on this one. Okay? Alright. Dito lang. Voila. And let's try. Good. It's working.